We have connected to the database. Now we are going to start creating the table and we will start inserting the data inside the database tables. Now our first step is whatever items I will be adding here that I want to insert inside the database table. For that we have to create the table. I will come to my PHP My Admin dashboard. This is the database we created. I will click on this database and here we have this table name. Table name I will be giving as products. Any number of columns you can give. I will click on create. If the columns are less, we can just add it later by giving the number here. First I will be giving the ID. Then I will give name of the product. Then I will be giving price of the product. And then finally, I just want to insert the image. So I will give one image field. ID I will leave as it is int. And for int, the default size will be 11. Name I will give varchar and length I will be giving 255. For price also I will be giving varchar and length I will be giving 255. Finally, for image also varchar and length I will give 255. Now one more thing we have to do for ID, I will just click on this AI, which means auto increment. Whenever I insert the new product, the ID will be incremented by 1 and the value will be stored inside the database. Again and again, when I insert the product, I don't want to insert the ID number. So I have just checked on auto increment and I have given the index value as primary, which means this ID will be primary in this table. Now I will click on save. Now you can see this is the structure of a table, products table. We have ID, name, price and image field. And for all this we have given the data type. And for ID, we have clicked on auto increment and this field will be primary, due to which we have this key after this ID field. We have created the table. Next session, we are going to start implementing our PHP code so that we can insert the products inside the database.